Hello everyone, and welcome to another Golden Hour Clean with me. I just want to take some time to thank you for your feedback yesterday. I'm so grateful that you shared with me what you felt was lacking, and I decided to implement some of those changes within today's video. I started cleaning before the children woke up, and this actually turned into a whole family cleaning as soon as I was done with the main space. And the reason why is because I had started to open up the cabinets to the left and right of the TV, and in there were just books and just a mishmash of things. And so I decided to go through those, and the kids really helped me with that. And then the drawers below the TV, my daughter Ayla really helped organize. So it did take a little bit longer today to get some of this stuff done, but in general I don't like to spend more than about an hour cleaning in the morning. But I am focusing more on just the deeper cleaning this week because I'm focusing on my spring cleaning, and some of these things haven't been done in quite a while, and as I moved the couch I saw just so much under there, and so that's what I focused on today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will talk soon. Bye everyone.